we are facing a chemical warfare. This chemical warfare is eating right into the moral fiber of our societies, and these drug dealers know no boundaries. What we are doing today is once again a partnership between Leave South Africa, the South African Police Service, the provincial as well as the metro police authorities, together with Crime Line and all other partners, to see how we can really do something about this problem.
Family, friends and substance abuse is three things that goes together.
The first time I came to prison, I was 18 years old and they were for murder. And at that time, I was heavy on drugs. Most of the time I was on drugs, I used mandrakes and patuk and punga. With gangs, I went involved with the 27s. If you want to be a 27, you must kill maybe a policeman or a warden, stuff like that. That is people that really is working against drugs in crime.
Troy, 23, 24, he wasn't working anymore. He had lost his job because his drugs had taken over his life. On the 3rd of April 2008, I spent the morning with him. He sent me to the shop for drinking yogurts, and when I came back, I had to cut him down from the road.
Stay away from drugs, really, man. It does kills you inside. In your whole family, not you yourself, but it affects your whole family.
You know how to get a fix, but do you know how to get help?
I couldn't get out of it. I tried to stop the cravings, but it didn't work. I can't stay with a man like that. He's going to kill us both all in that house. Before he started it, we were a very happy family. Just when he started to tip, his whole life changed.
It's not a campaign. It's not a launching of something or celebration of an anniversary. It's a lifestyle that we want to have this partnerships to be strengthened every single day.
The hardest thing for us is to ignore the content coming through from our listeners on a daily basis. Every day, people find us, make contact with us and say, can you help me?
Initially, I just tried it once and sort of left it. And the next time I picked up alcohol again, the first thing I did was try that again. And from then it took off like an absolute hurricane.
It all started at home in Mrs. Lane when I was busy with my friends. They tell me try using tip. So I pull one hit, and after that hit, the next day I feel I don't feel right. Another hit will be good, and after that I become addicted to tip and buttons.
If somebody says to me today that they're not affected by the drug problem in the Western Cape, they're not telling you the full story.
Stunted growth, smaller brains due to reduced head circumferences and retarded organ development are just some of the effects on a newborn if exposed to tick in the womb. TV personality David Rees admits coming Donovan is tight, soft-spoken and drug-friendly. 6 years. He warns he once held it unbelievably difficult to go through the rehabilitation process, and he regrets having started slaughtering. Gang leader Donovan has spent 4 years in Paulsmoor on weapons charges transformed while he was a user.
It costs a lot of money. I mean, cocaine and,
You used a gun? Have you killed someone?
Probably not.
Metro Police got me to the assessment center, asked me they can make things different for me. And I asked them, how can you help me? So they tell me, first, do you want to go to rehab? I tell them, we give it a try.
Crime really gives us a vehicle and a facility for the community to report illegal activity. We are going to give the police a platform to showcase their successes, and we're gonna, every day, I'm gonna strive in the Cape August to have a little graphic to show how much drugs was confiscated, where, in which areas that was done, and the amount in rand value.
We've got a role to play, and we've got a role to play to partner with you in your role. I pledge to you today that Leaders will back you, that we will go in there with you. We'll tell the good and the bad, and if in some way we can touch one person's life, we've made a difference. Doing nothing is unthinkable.
Don't give up. You can get your life back. Don't be ashamed to ask for help. Call the Cape Town Drug Counselling Centre on 021 447 8026. Brought to you by Lead SA. Lead SA is a 94.5 KFM and Cape Argus initiative.